Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Descript AI. There's a bunch of stuff you can create: edit a video, create with an avatar, edit a podcast, create social clips, translate and dub video, turn slides into video, generate a video, get a transcript, and you can even browse more templates here. Edit a social ad, intro video. There's a bunch, there's actually really a lot that you can use. Let's do, what should I do? Maybe edit a social ad, use template, and it can basically open a project, and it's going to basically open a project. I don't know why I worded it like that. My grammar's been all over the place because I don't speak that much English, Okay, anyways, you can upload a file here or paste a video with a YouTube. You can also create with AI speaker, and you can select any AI speaker here. Let's just do Elizabeth and choose speaker, and you can use an avatar that they have in the gallery, or you can create a custom avatar. Let's just randomly select one here and then assign avatar. And you can start creating your ad here, name your creation, and that's pretty much it. There's a bunch of stuff you can do. Again, I'm not going to go in depth on this tutorial, but it's probably like similar to all of the AI websites there is. So yeah, that is it. Maybe let's do a video maker, generate from a prompt. Maybe let's do basics of workplace safety, continue. And then here I'll just change it. Let's do Dolores, and let's select this and continue. Illustration style. Let's do this. Actually, let's do that. Select the aspect ratio, continue, and it's just going to generate for you. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.